Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my Doge Army, my Doge Hodlers. How's everybody doing? Hopefully, everybody's doing all good in the Doge hood. Hopefully, you guys had a wonderfully blessed day. Most importantly, a safe day. Y'all know what time it is, baby. It's that Wild Wild West crypto land time where we talk about Doge and overall crypto market news. None of this is ever financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Now, I know I'm ready. Are you ready? Well, without further ado, let's dive into the markets and see what's going on. All right, guys, obviously there is a lot of red. We had in the traditional markets, right, stock market, tech took a major dive, and right now Bitcoin is pretty much correlated with the S&P 500, right? And there's a lot of tech stocks in the S&P 500. So when the S&P 500 goes down, pretty much Bitcoin is going to go down also. And now if Bitcoin goes down, what's going to go down? The overall crypto market, right? The sentiment's going to be bearish. And as you can see, we're in the red, right? Oh, excuse me. We are correlated with traditional stock market right now until we get decoupled. But until then, Bitcoin is pretty much going to continue to trade and do the same things as the traditional markets. Sucks, but it is what it is, guys. All right, enough of Bitcoin. Or actually, it's at 36,955 with 16 cents, down 4.28%. Now let's dive into Dogecoin. Thank you guys if you're still with me. All right, guys, we're currently sitting at 0.1381. We're down 3.1% for the day. Our 24-hour low was 0.1369 and our 24-hour high was 0.14453. Market cap sitting at 18.32. Volume is at $483.35 million. Yesterday we were at 379, so we're just a little bit above, right? We're just a little tad bit up on our volume in the last 24 hours. Enough of the stats. Let's briefly talk about support and resistance, guys, and we'll move on to some positive news. Right, there's a lot of positive sentiment surrounding Dogecoin right now, guys. It just continues day after day. All right. So support, guys, is coming in obviously at this yellow line down here. Right, coming in still at 13 cents. Not much has changed. Now resistance, guys, is this red line here, which is the 8-day moving average, guys. As you can see, it's been about 8 days we've been straddling it, right, guys? We're above it, we're below it. We break above it, we dip back below. As you can see, we're struggling right now, and that moving average is coming in at 0.1404, right, guys? 14 cents, right? Until we break this moving average, guys, to me, this is going to be resistance until otherwise, right? Granted, we have that 21-day exponential moving average that is coming in at 0.153, but until we break past this 8-day moving average coming in at 14 cents, and to me, this is going to continue to be our resistance, and it's proving to be a pain in the ass, right? As you can see, we've been struggling with it this past week. But that's just what I had as far as charts go, guys. You know what I mean? Not much has changed. 14 cents is support or resistance right now, and 13 cents is backwards, guys. 13 cents is support and 14 cents is resistance at this 8-day moving average. Now let's get into some positive news here, right, guys? Now, for those of you that don't know who Willy Woo is, right, he is somebody very, very important in the crypto world, right? He's mainly a Bitcoin maxi, right? He talks about Bitcoin most of the time, but here in this interview, guys, he actually had nothing but positive stuff to say about Dogecoin, and that's saying a lot coming from Willy Woo. Right, this guy here, this guy right here that's interviewing, this isn't Willy Woo. He calls it Dogecoin, right, guys? So listen to what Willy Woo has to say.
Dogecoin looks rough, man. That peaked at...
He calls it Dogecoin.
Where was it?
That's funny.
May the 7th?
He's talking about its all-time high.
Looks like it hit about 70 cents, and it's down to like 13.
It looks like
that's Willy Woo, guys.
The Elon Musk thing is not... but,
pay attention to what he's saying.
I'm looking on a log chart across maybe 8 years, and it's not doing too bad. It looks like Ethereum, It's like, gosh, when I got into Bitcoin, like, it was like when it was worth, 0.04 of a penny, and now it's worth 14 pennies. Or something like that. So
yeah, but if they got it again, it depends when you get in.
I know. It's like if you got in on the like on the Elon Musk shilling, then you would have been wrecked. But I don't know. It's this interesting thing is like I think that, like, if you were to talk to family offices,
See, he had
they
nothing
may
but good stuff to
manage
say, guys. He didn't say one bad thing about
high
Dogecoin.
net worth family and.
All right, guys. I just wanted to briefly put that out there, right? Because it's Willy Woo, man. That's saying a lot, right? He's saying pretty much it was like Ethereum in the beginning stages and stuff. So he had nothing but good to say, right? If you want to check this out, it's in the Daily Hollow. He's talking about altcoins. He's all over the board talking about a lot of good stuff, right? All righty. Now let's dive into this here, guys. This is extremely bullish. This is, like I said, guys, the positive sentiment and the positive catalyst just continue to surround Doge on a daily basis, guys. It's just a matter of time before we have a major breakout, man, to the upside. I truly believe we're going to have a breakout. I think this is going to be a good year for us. I'm not just saying that because, right, I'm a long-term hodler in Dogecoin and I'm a perma bull, right, for Doge. But nonetheless, guys, there's just positive stuff that keeps surrounding it, right, guys? Now, it says Dogecoin reaches yet another historic milestone. It says Dogecoin, the world's first and still leading meme coin, right, top dog, is continuing to break records. And as the popularity of Doge continues to grow, the crypto is now overflowing to other blockchains. It says blockchain data provided by Mizari shows that there are currently about 4.8 million Dogecoin addresses and nearly 4.5 million of them holding a balance of 0.01 Doge. While this is an impressive achievement on its own, especially considering that Binfino charts data indicates that 80,000 of those addresses sent transactions on Tuesdays alone. Even more surprising attainment for the meme coin is that its community is overflowing into the Binance Smart Chain, right? A Tuesday tweet by crypto data firm Whale Stats reported that Binance Smart Chain token backed 1-to-1 by Dogecoin is currently held by over 485,000 wallets, guys. Huge, right? This is huge. Now it says new record, right? Now this has never happened. This is a new all-time high, right, guys? Now 485,000 wallets, right, holding Dogecoin. This is huge for Doge, right, guys? Huge. Now it says current data also shows that there are 492 and 55 Doge holders on the Binance Smart Chain. The most astonishing data point may be that BSC data shows that the tokenized Dogecoin smart contracts is the fourth most used contract on the blockchain, well ahead of Ethereum and USDC, guys. This is huge, man. That's why I am super bullish this year for Doge, right? We just hit a new all-time high of Dogecoin wallets, right? We had Willy Woo talking positive about Dogecoin, guys. Excuse me. We have, just like I said, so many positive attributes going for us, right? It's been going, man, like this for about the past couple weeks now, guys. We've just had positive catalyst after positive catalyst. Right now it says Elon Musk and Dogecoin earn Litecoin creators praise. Now it says Litecoin creator Charlie Lee praised Elon Musk and the world's first meme coin Dogecoin for their contributions to the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Lee said during a recent interview that Dogecoin, which he describes as great and pretty fun, drove mainstream adoption for crypto. And I agree as well, guys. Because of Dogecoin, right, guys, a lot of people got into crypto now, right? That was the gateway crypto into the crypto world. Had it not been because of Dogecoin, there probably wouldn't have been a lot more of people into Dogecoin. It started with Dogecoin, right? And then they started, looking into other ones such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, so on and so forth, right? That's why they're calling basically Dogecoin the crypto, the gateway crypto into the crypto world. And this is huge for adoption, right, guys? And for mainstream. Now, since Musk played a role in making cryptocurrencies a mainstream topic, Lee said, according to a Wednesday FX Empire report, Musk brought cryptocurrencies into the spotlight of mainstream media after he led his electric car manufacturing Tesla into accepting Bitcoin as a means of payments for its cars in 2021. Right, guys? So I think this, excuse me, I think this is is very, very true, right? And he's just giving credit where credit is due. He says, well, he suggested that Tesla may start accepting Bitcoin again in the future. The company also acquired 1.5 billion in Bitcoin and sold 272 million of the cryptocurrency. Musk is also arguably Dogecoin's most notable fan. He frequently tweets about the coin and once even promoted it on Saturday Night Live. Yeah, we already know all that, right, guys? So let's dive into this next article right here, right? And this one here is very important, guys. And I agree with where is it at here? Oh my gosh, where did it go, guys? Oh, right here, guys, with Billy Marcus, right, the co-creator of Dogecoin. Now it says Dogecoin sits still as Billy Marcus gives community stern warning. When will the crypto be unleashed? Right now it says Dogecoin was trading mostly flat on Wednesday in tandem with Bitcoin and Ethereum, which were muted and trading in tight daily range. Guys, exactly. Dogecoin's been trading in a very tight range between like 1.33 and 0.143, right, guys? We've pretty much been trading in a basically 1 cent, guys. Tight range, right? It's gearing up, man, getting primed for a major breakout, either to the upside or to the downside. It can go either way, but I truly believe just with all the positive momentum that has been continuously surrounding Dogecoin, I think it's going to be to the upside, guys. Now it says the Shiba Inu themed crypto reached another milestone on Tuesday with the data showing there are 492 and 55 Doge holders on the Binance Smart Chain, and the tokenized Dogecoin smart contract is the fourth most used contract on the Ethereum blockchain, coming in ahead of Ethereum and USDC. That's a big milestone, guys. It says the milestone shows that the Dogecoin community is continuing to grow. But on Wednesday, Dogecoin co-creator Billy Marcus sent out another thread on Twitter to warn his followers about the negative effect of poor behavior on the crypto and its utility. He stated that companies will stop accepting Dogecoin, the crypto will stop attracting new people, and existing Dogecoin enthusiasts will leave to escape the negative environment. I agree as well, guys. He says it's important to match your output with your goals, he said. Then he went on to say Dogecoin has negated a number of possible patterns on its chart now, such as a possible bear flag pattern and a tightened triangle formation that were appearing a few days ago. The crypto now looks to be trading in a horizontal pattern in either an accumulation or distribution phase, right? Now, what he was saying, guys, also was don't worry about the price right now, guys. You got to think of the long term, right? When in doubt, zoom out, right? We're in this from the long term, right, guys? Don't sweat the small stuff. You know what I mean? Yes, the price looks, no, not the greatest right now, but start accumulating right now. Right now is the best time to accumulate, guys, and continue to hodl. All right, guys. Oh, here we go. This is what I was talking about right here, guys. Now it says Dogecoin co-founder urges community not to focus on price. That's what I thought I was reading. My bad, guys. Now it says Dogecoin co-founder Billy Marcus has urged the community not to focus on unsustainable hype in its recent tweet. He says, okay, Dogecoin community, real talk. You have now seen that hype is unsustainable across the board for all crypto projects and all projects in general, and I agree. Instead of focusing on the hype and price, focus on helping build and improve something that can last. Then he went on to say he claims that investors should shift their focus from price speculation to building and improving promising projects with long-term potential. The meme coin is down more than 80% from its record high. Even making a meme about Dogecoin will be positive contributes to the community, according to Marcus, right? Now, I agree, right, guys? We gotta think of the long term, right, guys? In the long term of what's going on with Doge. You know what I mean? And you got to think in 2-3 years from now where it's going to be, right? Hopefully it'll be at $1 or over $1, right? Well, guys, this is pretty much all I had, right? You know what I mean? I had a little bit of technicals, and then, had Willy Woo talking positive, right? Then we broke a all-time record, right, of Dogecoin holders, right? There's a lot of positive stuff going for Doge, guys, that we have a lot of positive to be looking to have a positive outlook for on Doge, guys. Don't worry about the price right now. Just accumulate when you can, right? Dollar cost average, or just continue to buy when you can. You know what I mean? But all right, guys, this is what your boy had for you, man. You guys have a wonderfully blessed hump day. Stay safe. Until tomorrow, your boy Jaime G is up. Peace. And thank you guys for continuously supporting my channel and watching it. You know what I mean? Even if you're not a subscriber, just as a viewer, I appreciate it, guys. Maybe you can consider to be a subscriber to the channel if you like what you see. If not, it's all good in the hood. All right, man. Peace.